Alright guys, and run my Bernie. Thank you all for the quick fill and payments on Easter, 8/16. We're going to go live. We are live, 8/16, 8/16. Grab a list up here. Good luck to all you 25 spots at 10. Alright, we're going to drop that in. 25 entries. And as always, 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 7, that's good. 7 times, top spot wins. Good luck. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times, dice is a 7. Next click, top spot. And 7. Congrats, John Plagman, spot number 24. You are the winner. Get in touch with me. I will get that to you. 8/17. We will type done. We are done. 8/17, 8/17. Here is timestamp and verification.